Hey, Aiden, Dale, just wanted to remind you guys that we have our giveaway. We got the gift card. This is $200 gift card to Rocky Mountain. Make sure you check out the giveaway video and comment and subscribe to our channel, and you have a chance to win this. So go ahead and check that video out.
We are finally ready to tear down the motor. We've received our parts from Rocky Mountain, so let's do this thing.
Let's do it.
So when I do this, you generally would want a flywheel, something to hold the flywheel so that it doesn't turn. I'm going to allow the piston to do it because I'm replacing this piston and this flywheel, so I'm not worried about damaging it any further.
As you can see here on the flywheel, there are visible and physical wear marks where the clutch discs have been grinding back and forth. So that's going to be need to replace.